make tuna toast. Ingredients are tuna, tomato, half onion, mayonnaise, pinch of salt and black pepper, little bit of butter, 2 slices of brown bread. First step, place the tuna, chopped onions and diced tomatoes in a bowl or plate of your preference to be able to mix easily. Take the mayonnaise and throw a decent amount in the bowl or on the plate, and start mixing them together gradually. Don't forget to add salt and black pepper as you mix the ingredients. Next, take the butter and place it on a hot pan so it could melt in the meantime. Next, take the 2 slices of bread and start spreading the tuna on 1 slice of bread evenly. Next, place the second slice on top of the tuna and place in the pan to begin toasting one side. Once you see it start turning golden brown and crispy, you may then